Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the console and camera. Power the Xbox 360 off, set it on a stable surface, and position the camera where it can capture you clearly. Once done, find a front USB port or a powered USB hub. The camera is a USB device, so use a port that supplies power. Make sure the cable reaches the console without strain, then plug the camera firmly into the USB port so the connector seats fully. You should feel a subtle click and no wiggle. Once the camera is plugged in, power the Xbox 360 on and sign into your gamer tag. The system will usually detect the camera automatically and display a setup prompt. Accept it and follow the on-screen wizard to calibrate lighting and audio if applicable. Make sure to open the dashboard's accessory or connect/camera settings to view the live preview. This lets you adjust tilt and position. If the preview is dark or off-center, move the camera a few inches and retest until you finish by saving the camera settings and testing it in a video chat or an app that uses video so you confirm both picture and mic, if present, work. If the camera fails to appear, first try a different USB port and restart the console. This often forces redetection. Make sure cables are not damaged, and consider a powered USB hub if the port provides insufficient power. That resolves most power-related issues. If problems persist, remove other USB devices and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.